हेलो जी, कैसे हो? सब जिंगालाला. How is everyone doing today? So I get these visions of new green earth. So I thought of sharing it with you all. So here's the video. See, I always see this green earth where life thrives. There's greenery everywhere. The birds, the insects, they are all returning, and it's all lush green everywhere. There's no buildings, there are no cities. So so how do we get there? I just get this, always think about this ideas, in my mind. I think all the time. So so you can start with our own city or village. See, if we see our uh, own city and village, uh, the biggest problem is these MNC and national level companies. They are the ones that cause the highest pollution, and they are the ones who supply food that is harmful to our health. If we boycott these MNC companies and start manufacturing, look with local brands in our own cities, you know, we can improve our health by almost 50%. So all these companies, maybe Amul, Maggi, Nestle, they sell us all these harmful products that are injurious to our health, and we don't pay much attention, and we eat it, and we become unhealthy. And then we go to doctor, and the doctor will give you his own drugs which are addictive. There again our health gets bad. So it's like a cycle, it keeps on going. And these roads get bad because these all these trucks keep going between cities, and there's so much pollution. All this can be stopped if we start manufacturing in our own city or village and turn the city into a village. So this can only happen if we unite people. The people will be united when they break free from the shackles of these organized religions. These organized religions are the biggest cancer in our society today, and they divide people, and they spread so much hate. It has been going on for centuries now. It's time to wake up, and the youth needs to break free from all these organized religions. There's no need of doing public display of who do you believe and who is your god. Keep it in your heart, and because the message is universal. But all these prophets, they all had the same message, but it got distorted over time. And these people who are hungry for money, they keep the they keep the masses in constant fear, control them, brainwash them, and do all kinds of nonsense. The youth needs to unite and break free from these organized religions. And we need to start building everything from the scratch. We cut the supply chains, we boycott all these national and MNC companies, and we start manufacturing everything in our own city or village. This will give so much opportunity to everyone. Everyone can thrive. The you know the youth don't have to go to bigger cities, you know away from their parents, in search of new life, and end up being a slave there. You're basically doing slavery to these MNC companies. They make you work 24 hours, like just to match the timings of UK and US. You have to work in the night. Why should we sacrifice our health for this uh, people in UK and US who do not appreciate us? I was working in such call centers. We got abused like you Indian monkeys sitting in India and using false American names and making a fool of us. We used to get all these messages. So you are nothing without your own self-respect. So we stop relying on all these MNC companies and start building uh, an, a new village from the scratch. You can start with your own city or village, and yeah, we organize meetings and spread this awareness among youth. The youth needs to break free from all these organized religions because that's they are the ones hurting the society the most, and let's begin the process for to make earth green again. So we need to start somewhere. It can only happen if you boycott all these MNC and nationalized companies. Buy less from supermarkets. Buy from some grocery stores. They make it all from the scratch here. So I don't go to supermarkets mostly. I buy from these nice grocery stores in my locality. They give it all fresh. The for example this wheat they put it in the mill and make powder very fine and fresh. Otherwise this all these national level companies they put all these preservatives and they kept it from so many ages and they give it as uh, you don't get the real taste and flavor. So the first step is to unite people, break free from all these religions, and we organize meeting in our cities and and we'll invite experts from all over the world. We'll who will help us develop this independent energy, independent food. The food needs to be independent. The food is the trap. If we give food in control of governments, they will always blackmail us. If we start making food in our own cities, nobody can blackmail us. We'll always have food. So it will also be the end of slavery, like one person making all the money and keeping everybody poor. Like in the new earth there won't be any this hierarchy of there'll be some, but there won't be the hierarchy that is in the present world where this the rich make all the money and poor don't make any money. It needs to stop. It can only stop if we start making companies based on values of love and sharing, where everybody gets equal pay and there's no hierarchies. Everybody works and contributes with their own skills, but at the end of the day everybody gets equal pay. It's something like Auroville, they have this concept where there's no money and everybody gets same salary of around 15,000. You can take the example and start doing it in our own cities. So it is a very slow process. So we are not in a hurry, but at least it's a beginning. We can start building it from now. And this is the vision. So many all the spiritual people are seeing all around the world. Human beings uniting together and taking control back from all this politician and giving back to the people. The people have suffered for centuries because of this politicians. So you can finally unite people and make earth green. So let the celebrations begin. Why the delay? We'll start organizing meetings in our cities and good luck. Let's do it.